Yes, and now we continue our team coverage. We have Larry in Livingston. He is in Pembroke Park, and we're talking about gas lines. You were at Costco yesterday, seeing the lines extra long, people preparing, getting gassed up, which is a good thing because that's what we're telling them to do, to prepare. But we want to go and talk to some people out and about this morning.
Well, there's a lot of things that you need to have in your home, have ready, and certainly gassing up your vehicles is one of those things that a lot of people are trying to do yesterday and certainly this morning. Larry in Livingston, how do things look where you are?
Well, because everybody was trying to get their gas, this is the situation we're running into this morning. Lots of gas pumps look like this, taped off or bagged off because the gas is gone. But here you at least have the 87 octane. We're at the racetrack just off of 95 and Hollandale Beach Boulevard, and we've seen folks coming in, meeting these yellow bags, but getting the gas when and where they could. And just a few moments ago, I hate it because it's always live TV. We had the cavalry arrive. The truck pulled in, backed in right there next to the station. You see the wells there on the ground. He hooked up the hoses and filled those canisters. So I'm pretty sure the folks will be coming out here not too long from now to take those tapes off so that folks can have access to that gas. But I know Miss Judy Lockard, she lives not too far from here in Hollandale Beach. You were on a manic search yesterday, right?
Yeah, I sure did. I came last night about 8 o'clock. The line was out on Hallandale. I figured I'll go home, wait a little while, came back out at 11, and the line was still out on Hallandale. So I thought, what the heck, I'll just get up at 4 o'clock this morning and come and get gas. And thank God I did. There was nobody here. But the tanker was putting gas into the tanks. So it was a good time to come out.
And I know you got your gas can here, so you're not just filling up your truck here, you're filling up your gas can. What you got back at home?
I have a generator back at the house, and I also have 2 other vehicles too that my daughter also got gas earlier yesterday, and she told me that it was a breeze to get gas yesterday afternoon. But I figured it was going to be a problem getting it last night, but I didn't think that much of a problem.
Right.
I really didn't.
Better safe than sorry, though.
Correct.
Well, good luck to you. Hopefully this storm passes through. And thank you for speaking with me this morning. You all have a good rest of your day. You need help with your gas?
No, I'm fine.
You sure? All right.
Thank you.
And of course, we want to show you some video. I know Eric was talking about Costco, but we got Sky 10 video overhead of a Costco here in our area yesterday. You can see those long lines and those cars pulling up to those stations trying to make sure that they fill up their tanks just in case this storm comes and there's of course interruptions in the transportation to those fuel supplies. We also got video from one of our own WPLG producers, Chris Shank, who was at the gas station Marathon just off of Sterling between Palm and Hiatus. Long lines there, folks, again, just trying to make sure that they had what they needed, were as prepared as possible with those tanks filled up. And of course, the lines continue to cross the South Florida area as more people hit the gas stations, filling up those tanks just in case they'd had to maybe even potentially evacuate or at least have that gas on hand ready to go for their generators, for their cars, for whatever other equipment. I know we have some crews over headed to some marinas. I'm sure the boaters are having to deal with some things just the same, making sure that their property is as safe and as tanked up as possible. And of course, we've been talking to folks all evening and all morning long just about how they're pulling up to these pumps, hoping for a drop of gasoline just to make sure that their cars are ready to go if they need to go.
It's kind of mad, a madhouse.
So I don't have a choice. I got to get a little to get me to the next station. And you know what I mean? I got to do what I got to do.
And back live here, just as I said, there's a clerk walking around right now taking taking the tape off of the pumps right now because they now have the supply that they need to accommodate their customers. Yes, ma'am? Oh, well, I appreciate your hospitality. We're just kind of telling the story that you're hoping and helping people deal with right now. So good thing is the truck came, and one of the drivers of the trucks, he tells me that they don't prioritize stations. They go when the stations call once they're empty. So they'll be running and gunning most of the day as long as they can to make sure that these stations stay as filled up and as stocked up as possible. And he says it started yesterday afternoon and went well into the evening, well into the early morning hours. He came in at 2 this morning to get in his truck to come here to deliver the gas at this station. For now, we're live in Pembroke Park, Larry in Livingston, Local 10 News.